evening. It's late in the afternoon. I want to say welcome. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Guys, a friend has invited me to a restaurant. Where are we? What part of
Cambridge, St. Joseph.
Cambridge and St. Joseph. There's a restaurant called the Bay Lounge. Now, guys,
Adventure to get to it.
it was it was an adventure to get here, but it was fun. Look at that, look. The water over there and the scenery on the other side is so beautiful. I'm with Charles' friend Mervyn and his beautiful wife Shirley. Yeah. So they're taking me to this restaurant today, the Bay Lounge. So I want to take you guys with me so we can check this food out and see. So let's go. Ooh.
Menu's right there. I just wanted to show you.
Okay.
I just want to show you the site. You can decide where you want to sit. This is the patio. We can sit, or we can sit down here.
Oh, wow.
But this is the scenery.
Guys, look at that.
I just go in there by shouldn't.
Look at that. It is absolutely
So like, okay,
beautiful.
Jeff might call like Luke. We'll call Luke and say.
There's a nice breeze out here. And it's breathtakingly beautiful, guys. You have the water over there. You have the hills. Kind of remind me of the Sound of Music. Remember that movie, The Sound of Music? The hills are alive with the sound of music. Remember that? That's what that feels like over there. It's beautiful.
We would take off and just get out here.
Yeah. Ooh.
This is special civil engineering. This is the gabions they put in to stop the land from sliding.
Oh, okay, okay. You hear that, guys? They put that in to stop the land from sliding over there, and that one over there to protect the land.
Okay.
And it goes right up there. And is this down here is where people is usually go hiking and all that?
Yes,
up in
yes.
there?
Oh, I call some of these areas in here, yeah.
I want to go hiking and want to go with Julian's brother, but he
Yeah.
said to me, Lorraine, I'm going to be able to handle it because you're not used to walking. He said, we're walking for 3 hours and we're going up and downhill, up and downhill. You're not going to be able to handle it. And I look at these hills and I said, no, I would like to do it, but I know I'm not going to be able to handle it. Oh my God. And look at that, look. That's beautiful.
So let's go see what on the menu.
Okay.
Something to, anything you get in 5 minutes is going to be cool.
In 5 minutes is what?
Cool. And that wind.
Oh, okay. Ooh, ooh, careful.
I just
I'm having barracuda right here with some sweet potato fries. I almost forgot to show you my dinner, guys. We have some barracuda fish over here, some potato fries, and a little salad. Looks yummy. We all have about the same time, same thing. So I'm gonna enjoy my dinner and I will talk to you after. Now leaving this place. It's a beautiful breeze out here. I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun seeing a little around Barbados. We are St. Joseph. And I hope you guys had fun. I had fun. And we at a place called Bay Lounge. So now we're leaving. And I want to say thank you so much for joining me. Until, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, please. Until next time. Bye-bye.